In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, we'll show you how to build your own online courses step by step using LearnWorlds, an all-in-one platform that offers a range of powerful tools. Whether you're an educator or entrepreneur, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use LearnWorlds effectively to create, market, and sell your courses. First off, the interface. LearnWorlds is user-friendly, but it does have a bit of a learning curve if you're just getting started. Once you sign in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that shows you a quick overview of your courses, sales, and performance. The layout is clean and organized, but you might find it a bit overwhelming at first if you're used to more minimalist platforms. Next thing, let's dive into course creation. To create a new course, simply click on the Create New Course button. Here, you can choose between different formats: video, text, or multimedia-based. LearnWorlds gives you total flexibility, but I recommend using their interactive video feature. It allows you to add clickable elements within your videos, which is a unique selling point that other course builders, like Teachable or Thinkific, don't offer. But it's not perfect. Some users have reported that the video editor isn't as intuitive as it could be, and it can take a little time to get used to. The third thing to note is the learning path and course structure. LearnWorlds allows you to organize your content in a way that makes sense for your students. You can create modules, lessons, and quizzes all within the same course structure. This is a real highlight compared to other course platforms. The ability to create engaging learning paths is a feature that sets LearnWorlds apart. However, it's not as customizable as some other options, and if you're looking for more advanced personalization, you might find it a little restrictive. Next up, let's talk about monetization. LearnWorlds offers various ways to make money, including one-time payments, subscriptions, or payment plans. It integrates with a number of payment gateways, making it easy to set up. However, the transaction fees are something you should be aware of, especially when compared to platforms like Thinkific, which offers a free plan with no transaction fees. So if you're on a tight budget or just getting started, that's something to keep in mind. Now, for the fourth thing, let's look at the analytics and reporting features. This is one area where LearnWorlds really shines. It gives you detailed insights into student engagement, course completion rates, and sales performance. The only downside? You need to upgrade to a higher tier plan to access the most in-depth reporting features, which might be a bit of a drawback if you're just starting out. The fifth thing is customer support. LearnWorlds does offer 24/7 support through live chat, email, and a comprehensive knowledge base. The support team is helpful, but some users have mentioned that response times can vary, so don't expect instant help when you need it. But before we wrap this up, I want to mention something critical. While LearnWorlds offers an excellent all-in-one solution for course creators, it's not the only option out there. In fact, depending on your needs, there are platforms that might suit you better. For instance, if you're looking for more flexibility with course design or lower fees, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific might be worth considering. Now, here's the kicker. If you're interested in giving LearnWorlds a try, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through the link below. But before you make a decision, I've also included some alternatives that might work better for your goals. And yes, they also come with free trials. So, don't miss out. Check the link in the description, get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, and start building your online course today.